So what's up, guys? We're about to talk about the setup that needs to be done in order to fit the LS into the RX8. So here I'm about to start talking about it. So here is the LS that we got right here. And we have all F-body accessories. When I'm talking about that, we're talking about the tensioner, the water pump, the crank pulley. This comes in the kit. The alternator and alternator bracket. On this bolt, I need to change it to an Allen headed bolt so that it doesn't touch the belt. As you can see, it had been damaging the belt right here. And then we have the RX8 compressor with the mounting for it that we sell. It also comes in the kit. These are the shorty headers that I have right now. I have not dyno tested them yet, but I will be before too long. This is the C5 engine mounts. These are mounted backward orientation of the originally. And then we have the F-body oil pan, which is 1998 to 2002 Camaro. Then this is most all car intakes are gonna fit. And then we have, these are the new long tubes that I am waiting on the final ones to get here. These are a prototype that I've been messing with. Again, this is the C5 engine mount bracket on this side as well. And then this is, so these are 1 7/8 runners to a 3-inch collector. So that'll make plenty of power. And then we have, this is the clutch line. I don't remember what type it is. Let me see. So this is the type 1 clutch line. You can see it's got a, well, it's kind of hard to see. Let me get my phone out. So you see the gold connector. That is the type 1. The type 2 will typically be black, and it's a good bit smaller. This is a TR6060. And this is the TR6060 right here, and this is the transmission cooler. This was looped. We're gonna be redoing that before we put it back in the car. This is the shifter location. I have the shifter over there. I'll bring it over here. This part right here comes with the drive shaft to make it to where you can, it's a CV style drive shaft extension. We're using the factory transmission mount right here. And then I believe that I'm gonna be going to the 2010 Camaro SS starter. Haven't quite decided on that. Still working on it, debating based on how my headers fit. And then this is where the coolant temperature sensor goes. So for all of those that have been asking questions about how the RX8 and the LS stuff works, the LS computer runs the drivetrain.